Hi, today I will explain how you can travel back to the past without breaking any paradoxes. Well, we all know that according to Einstein's relativity that you could travel into the future. You just have to go faster. And as soon as you approach the speed of light, time will literally stop for you at the speed of light. So what happens when you try to go faster than the speed of light? Well, time will go into the negative direction. What does negative direction means? It means that you are going into the past, right? Now there are subatomic particles, hypothetical subatomic particles like tachyons which allow you to do that, to travel faster than the speed of light, but current physics does not allow. So let's just assume into the future we create such subatomic particles that will allow us to travel back to the past, aka faster than the speed of light. Now there are a lot of problems that arises when you try to do that. A lot of paradoxes which happen, and the most famous one is the grandfather paradox, which says that if you kill your grandfather in the past, then how are you even still alive in the present? Well, I will explain today how to overcome that problem. In your normal day-to-day life, you make certain sets of choices, certain sets of decisions. And as soon as you make a decision, the universe splits in two universes in two directions. Because the electron is at multiple places at certain time. It's not until you decide to measure the location of the electron that you know that electron is at location A or location B. But that doesn't mean that the electron was not on B. It's a superposition of every single position of electrons. That means the multiverse basically. So let's say I decide to pick up this pen. Now, just split the universe in two universes. One universe where I picked up this pen and the second universe where I didn't pick up the pen. Now, let's say this is the universe which you are currently living in, the universe A. Okay, this is the timeline. This is the timeline. This is the universe which you are currently living in, the universe A. Now this is present, right? And you decide to go back to the past. That means the past will be your future because you will be going in this direction. Remember, you will be going in this direction. Normally, we are traveling into the future, which is this direction. So every decision you make splits the universe into universes, and you live in one of those choices which you make. So now you have made a choice to go back to the past and kill your grandfather, let's say. So you split the universe right here and two different universes, universe A, which says your original universe, and the universe B, right here. Okay, this is the universe B. Okay, so now let's say that you kill your grandfather. Let's say you kill your grandfather right here, and you say that, well, I have killed the grandfather, and now I want to go back to the present. Well, guess what? Now, if you try to go back to the present, into the future, you will be into the future of this timeline, of this universe. And the set of events that happen will be normal. It will be different from your universe, but it will be normal for the second universe. Now, you will say that, well, how am I still alive? Because that grandfather was never your grandfather. Your grandfather, your grandfather is in the universe A. So basically you have teleported to different universe through time machine. And that also explains why we don't see any time traveler from the future. Why don't we see that? Because that time travel always exists in the second universe, into a different universe. And that's how time traveling to the past can be explained without breaking any paradoxes. You just travel to a different universe. That's all it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, then do subscribe.